Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a first impressions and swatches of the new ELYSIAN palette by the indie brand Copacetic Cosmetics. This is a smaller brand that I found on Instagram recently, and I really like some of their products, so I really wanted to try this one out. And I also ordered the Butterfly Kisses palette and a couple of the Spell Vials in the same order. But today I'm going to be doing a first impressions look using just this one. This palette retails for $35. It has 9 shades in it. There is 5 mattes and 4 shimmers, and the shimmers are all iridescent duochromes. They're light. They look light on the pan, and then when you swatch them, they're a bright color. So first of all, the artwork on the palette is really cute. I do really like the picture on here. It looks like the Northern Lights. And the back of the palette is just the shade names in order. And this was a collaboration with a Instagram account called Basket Case Beauty, and I do follow her. I really like her work. So the inside of the palette looks like this. First I will swatch all of the shades. The first shade I'm going to swatch is this purple matte shade, and this is called Omniverse. I'll swatch it on the back of my hand. That's a cute shade. I'm always into the purple shades. Let me see if I can get a better swatch out of that. There we go. I don't know how to describe that purple. It's kind of like a royal purple, but it's not as dark, but it's really cute. The next shade I'm going to swatch is this duochrome right here. This is the shade Ethereal. And right off the bat, when I just swatch it, they're a little bit fragile, so be careful when you are playing with the shimmery shades. But this is what that looks like. This is like a goldish color. It's really pretty. That's what that one looks like. And the next shade is a dark navy blue shade in the shade Utopia. It's really pigmented. Yeah. Jeez. That's a really pretty shade. I like that. I never really play with like dark navy shadows, but it's really pretty. Next I'm going to swatch, it's another duochrome shade. This is the shade Pandora. Kind of looks like a shimmery green. Yeah, this is like an icy green color. It's like shifts from white to green. And that's what that looks like. It's really pretty next to the dark blue. I really like the combination. And next, I'm going to swatch the shade Broken Dreams. This is that green color. It's not like an olive. It's more like a darker lime green. And that looks like that. That's a really pretty color. I really like that one. And the next shade is another duochrome. It is called Hutera. And this one has a pinkish bluish shift to it. And that's what that looks like. In the last row, we got the shade Spectral, which is a dark teal color. And that's also really, really freaking pretty. I love these types of eyeshadows. That's what that looks like. Next we got Astral. which is the last duochrome. And this is just more of a peach. Let's see if I can get a better one of that. It's kind of hard to see that swatch, but the last one is Empath. This is just a coffee brown color. And that's what that looks like. So we got the palette right here, and it looks like there's a lot to choose from, and I can create some cute looks with this one. So let me figure out what I'm going to do, and I'll be right back to show a tutorial. Okay, so my eyelids are primed with the Jeffree Star concealer. I'm gonna go in with the shade Spectral and put that on the outer parts of my crease on both eyes. And this has a shitload of fallout, so please be careful when you're dipping your brush into this. Just kind of dabbing it on the outer part of my eye. And this color is absolutely stunning. I really like that. Right there. All right. And next I'm going to go in with the shade Broken Dreams. And I'm going to go in with a OMFG Cosmetics little blending brush and put that on the middle part of my crease, right next to where the teal ends up. And put that on the outside. And then I'm going to bring that all the way in and then meet it right where the dark teal shade starts. These are blending really, really nicely. I really like the way this looks. And you don't have to dip in too hard to get good payoff. I like how they're blending together. It looks really nice. I'm gonna just do that on the other eye. Going in with that same light lime olive shade. I guess that's how I'll describe it. All right. Next, I'm going to go in with my NYX Glitter Primer. So the shimmer sticks well. I'm going to kind of do a half cut crease with this, with a flat packing brush. And kind of carve that out just so we have a good base to put that on. And using this makes shimmers pop really well. It looks really good, especially when there's just that one shimmer you really like, but you just can't get it to stick. This stuff works really well with that. And I'm going to stop on the lid right where that darker teal starts to begin and kind of just leave that there. Do the same thing on the other eye. Like that. And then I'm gonna go in with that shimmery shade that shifts green. That shade is called Hotera. That shade right there. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Just gently pat that on because there is a lot of product on the brush. So I don't want it to get everywhere. And it's okay if it's not completely perfect because we're just going to blend the edges out anyway. going to go back into that green shade and kind of go over it at the top. Kind of blend it in so we don't have much of a harsh line. Looking really cute. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to do the dark navy and then bring that along, connecting the teal at the top. I'm kind of just slowly dragging that down here. And then in the inner corner, I'm going to go in with that little one here, that pinkish, bluish shift. Just gonna put that on the inner corner to kind of tie in with the blue on my lower lash line and just complete the look. Kind of just lightly drag it down too. Alright guys, so I finished the look. I'm going to put on the final touches like my lashes, mascara, liner, and lips, and I'll be right back with the final look. Okay guys, I'm back with the final look. This is how it turned out. And I absolutely love how this look turned out. I love how all of the colors blend in. I love the color story. I like the formula. I like the payoff. Everything about this I really freaking love, except for how sensitive the shimmers are. When you dip the brush in, you have to be extra careful so you don't get it everywhere. But other than that, this is such a cute palette, and my first impressions on this would be it's very great pigmentation and easily blendable. And I definitely am excited to try more from this brand. I can't wait to try my other palette along with the Spell Vials as well. And to complete the look today, I used the this is the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner in the shade Fresh. And for my lips, I used the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Scorpio. For my face highlight, I put a little bit something different. This is the Black Moon Cosmetics Moonlighter in the shade Jellyfish. It's one of those highlighters that look white and then they kind of shift blue. And I thought that would look really cute with this look. And a little bit something different, and it is like really blinding. And my lashes, I use Dodo lashes in the style D335. So this is how the finished look turned out. I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to play with this palette a little bit more and kind of just create really fun looks with it. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope everyone out there is doing well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.